HTML, and also you can put those small projects in your profile in your GitHub. Okay, and let's start. So today we will make this bookmark website. It's similar like a browser bookmark, so you can like add your favorite website as a bookmark and help you to revisit it. Okay, this is a website I already made. So for example, I can add like a bookmark of Google. I can just get Google's URL. I think it's this one. Just put it here, and I can save it here, and it will be here forever until we delete it. Okay? If you just close it, reopen it, it will be still there. Okay? Okay, I can edit it or I can delete it. Okay? This is what I'm doing. Okay, and like other like this one, Dropbox of homework. Okay. So this is just a simple bookmark website. Okay, and we will start from empty project and make it today. Okay, let's start. Yes. Oh. Okay. Sorry, I have a question. This is two, and it's gonna be our example. Okay, so what we will have is firstly we can create a folder on desktop and call it a bookmark application. Okay, and I'm currently recording this video, so if you are missing or lost, you can just watching the video and follow it. Okay, so don't worry if you cannot follow me. So this is our place we'll put our HTML file, our CSS, and maybe our JavaScript file. Okay, we'll put everything in this folder. So let's open the Sublime and go to the file, open folder, looking for the folder I just created. It's on the desktop called bookmark application. Okay, select this folder. It's empty right now, and let's create our first file here. So file, new file, and just Ctrl+S save it. Save to the application is created to the bookmark application. It's right here. Open it. Okay, save it here. And then will be index.html. Okay. If you watch the video I provide you, you should know anything named as an index. It's a main page. Okay, it should be the landing page when a user visit your page. Like when you're trying to visit any page, the home page should be the index page. Okay, index is a special name for the home page. Okay, so in this page, let's see what we have. So if we check this example here, we will have a title here and like a small window, a form here. In the form, we will have a site name, a site URL, and a button to submit the site. Okay, so let's build this. Firstly, let's just do HTML and tab, getting the structure, and the title can be bookmarker. Okay. And let's grab those meta tag, and I think I will use Bootstrap. Okay, so let's get those things. The meta tag can found in the homework, the assignment 1 requirement. Let's go there. Go open our curriculum. It should be here. Let's go down. Okay, here is a viewport. Let's use the meta tag. Let's copy it, put it here under the title, and okay. See if it's still recording. Yeah, it is. and then I'll go get the bootstrap. Okay, just Google bootstrap, and I'll get started. Okay, this CSS here. Just put it right here. Okay, and after the bootstrap, the next thing I want to get is our own CSS file. Okay, I want to use my own CSS too. Remember to put your own CSS under the bootstrap. Okay, it'd be link, and reference is style.css. Okay, and I created it in this folder. Right click this here, new file, save it. It's style.css. Okay. All right. So here comes to the body. Let's build the content. We will have a div, a container for it. Okay. I use like this class into container. Within this container, we'll have a title, right? We'll have a heading here. The heading is saying Bookmarker. Okay, it's the name of this application. It's H3. I think H3 is enough. It's smaller. Yeah. It's Bookmarker. Okay, and then we'll have another div. Actually, I will put our forms inside it. Okay, in this div, we'll have a bigger title here, right? This one is bigger than the bookmarker here, so I think this is H2. You can just feel free to change the style of it. Okay, it's just a layout. Bookmark your favorite sites. And after this, we will have a form here. Okay, so obviously it's a form, and the form will have two form groups, right? One is for site name, another one is for site URL. Let's make two div here. This is my first div, and oops, this is my second div. In this one, it should be has a label here. Okay, has a label and input. The label here should be site name. Input. The site name should be text. It can be anything. Okay. The name of it is site name. Let me make it bigger. And the ID of it is site name. I will use the ID later. Okay. And actually, I want a placeholder here. Like enter your website name. It's a hint for the user. Okay, and in another in a div below here, just copy its label and input here, and change the site name to site URL. And it's text too, and the name should be site URL, and ID is site URL. Placeholder. Enter your website URL. Okay. Let's try it. Take a look at what it looks like now. Okay. Let's open in browser. Yeah, we have those contents here right now. Okay. Let's make it look better. Okay. Let's use some class here. Let's move it to the right a little bit. Okay. So the first class I want to use is a form control. Okay, it's in this form. For each div in the form, I will use a class is equal to form group, and in each input I will have the class form control. And instead here, I have class equal to form group. Input here, I have class equal to form control. Let's refresh it. Okay. So we have them in a separate line. And next thing is I want to make change the color of it. If you go back to see the previous one, you have a different color here and a different color for the form. Okay, so for the H3 here, there is a class called text muted. Okay, it will change the color of the text here. Okay, change it to gray. And for this div here, it should be use another Bootstrap class. It's called boot class John Boltron. Okay. All right. Looks much better. And you see, if this one is on the way much top, I want to move it down a little bit. Okay. So I will need to use my own CSS. Give some padding to the top, right? Padding top. Let's go to our own CSS file. Did I create it? No, this one. This one. Yeah, I created it, but it's not showing here. Let's refresh it. Let's just open the folder again. It's not showing there for some reason. Okay, let's see. Let's reopen it again. So I have the index here. And you can choose style CSS. It's here. So I'll just do body. Right? Just give some padding top. Moving things a little bit down. Gives us 70 pixel. Okay. And I can also give some padding bottom to make sure that it's not on the way too much bottom. Okay. So padding top 70 pixel, padding bottom 70 pixel. This is what I always do for my website. And if I refresh the page, it brings things down a little bit. Okay. And if you compare them, we still need a button there, right? Let's create a button. So below, within the form, under the form group, let's create a button here. It can be a button, button. And the type of this button, actually, is the default. The default type is submit, but just put it here. Okay, you don't really have to put the type here. The class of this button is a btn, and btn primary to make it in blue color, and the content here should be submit. Okay. Feel free to use the icon if you want to use font also. Okay. Oops. So okay, I have the button here, and we have a footer here, a footer with copyright. Okay. So under the div here, this section we have a footer. A footer, I can see I can use this icon, copy, right? It's going to become a icon for the copyright. Is the C here, and then we will say it's 2018 Bookmarker. Okay. Let's refresh the page. Right, it's there. Okay, so this is everything we need for the layout, and then we will create a JavaScript file and make this submit really functional. Okay, like when we enter name here, here, and it will store it for us. All right. So let's create a JavaScript file. So create file, a new file, and save it. Saving the Bookmarker application folder. Let's call it main.js. It's gonna be our main JavaScript file. Let's firstly link them together. Okay, so Actually, I put it on the bottom of the body. That means I want to load this JavaScript after the whole page is finished. Okay. It's a script. The source is equal to main.js. Let's see if they are connected. To test it, let's put a console log here. Console log. Hello from JavaScript. Let's see if they are connected. Okay. And if I just hit F12 here, open the console. Let's make the console smaller, it's too big. Make it unread. And refresh the page. Hello from JavaScript. Okay, I got this message. Means they are connected. Okay. Let's just delete it. Actually, just come out. So there are a few things we want to do, right? First thing is when we input things here, I want to catch those inputs from the user, okay? And then when I click submit, it will save it for me, and then I want to finish this load this my stored bookmarks under the forms here, right? I want to make it right here, like below everything. So let's start doing it. First thing I want to do, I need a document. Actually, let's give an ID for this form. Okay, let me give an ID for this form. So this form has an ID, like my form. Okay, so then I can call this specific form what I mean to let JavaScript know which form I'm talking about. I can use get an element by ID, or can use the query selector, right? Query selector, and getting the ID of my form. My form, okay? And here I want to use a predefined function of the JavaScript. It's called and event listener. Like as you use JavaScript more and more, you will see there's a lot of predefined functions, and you will meet them one by one and understand them and use them. Okay. So for the and event listener, what it does, it will take two parameters. Sure, yeah, but you will still see it in the video, so don't worry about that. So let me make it bigger. Okay, so the and event listener, it's basically will listen to take two parameters. First one is what kind of event you want me to listen. You want me to wait. It's a submit, right? It's a submit of the form. And firstly, I'm saying document the query selector. Please select this form and listen to what I will submit. Okay. And when I submit something, I want you to run a function for me. The function will be like a save bookmark. I will make this function. Okay. That's a name for this function. Let's make it into 2 lines, so easier for you to see. Okay. So when in this form, when I submit something, please run this save bookmark for me. Okay. This is basically what this line means. So let's add some comment here. Okay. Listen for form submit. Okay. This will listen to the submit for me, and when I submit something, it will run a save bookmark for me. Okay. So let's create this function. Function save bookmark. Okay, this is the function here I will call. And this function I want to have actually 2 input here. Actually no, just no input. Let's just leave it blank. Okay. So for this function, let's see if they are connected. Console.log save bookmark. Let's see if they're connected. Okay. So if I go back to the index file, right click, open in browser, and F12. If I see the save bookmark is not defined. Let's see. If I have a typo here, save bookmark. Yeah, save our bookmark. Okay, save bookmark. Refresh it. Okay. If I submit it, see there is a console log. It's flash here. The reason it's disappear is because the default submit button, right? When you try to submit a form, it will refresh the page. When you refresh the page, it just clear my console. Okay? It just clear my console when I submit something. There is one way to cancel that default setting, to ask it to stop refresh my page when I click the submit. The way you do it is here you can say I want to pass event here, and I want to do a event. It's a predefined function. Okay, event prevent default. This function will prevent the form from submitting. Right? That means when I click submitting, you stop your default setting. You don't refresh the page for me. Don't do anything for me. I will tell you what to do. Okay. So if I go back to the page, refresh it, it's just nothing is happening. Is that really nothing happened? Oh, actually, I didn't click submit. If I click submit, see this thing just stay here. Okay, the page is not refreshed, so it will stay here. Okay. So actually, you can make it shorter. You don't have to say event. Just make it E, right? It's just E is just stand for event. The JavaScript know it. It's just some default setting for JavaScript. You will meet this and more, and get familiar with that. Okay. So if I use a E in function, that means cancel event. And if you call E.prevent default, it will stop its default setting of something. Okay. For now, when I submit it, I will run this function, and this function will stop the default setting of the submission. Okay. Like when I submit something, it won't refresh it anymore. And if you want to see where this function come from, like you can just Google it, like JavaScript prevent default. Okay, they will have a very specific explanation for you, like the prevent event method cancel the event if it is cancelable, meaning that the default action belongs to event will not occur, and I have some example for you. Okay, and same thing for the end event listener. Okay, like you can choose any, like a lot of website will explain for you. Like if I go this one, it will tell you set up a function to be called whenever the specific event is delivered. Like for now I'm saying when this form is submitted, I want to call this function. Okay, and have syntax, have some options, some parameters you can add there. It will have a explanation in detail. Okay. So let's keep working. So for now, I already linked this submit button with this save bookmark function, and now I want to, when I click this button, get what user put in the website name and the website URL and save it for me. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is grab the value that the user put in those input fields. The first thing I want to create a variable called the site name. We'll store the value and user put there. Document the query selector. Select this field, input field here. Remember, I give an ID to it. If I go back to my index page, for this input here, I have make it bigger. I have a site name as ID for this one, and site URL as ID for next input. Okay, let's get the site name first. So the main is get query selector the site name, okay, and let's see if I get it. It's console log site name. Let's see what I got here. Go back to my page, refresh it. Let's try hello and submit it. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting the whole element here. I just wanted the value of it. Okay. Here should be this is the value of it. So I just get the value. Okay. Get the value of it. Come back, refresh. Hello. Submit. Oh, I'm getting the hello. Okay. That's how you get the elements of user input. Like if I type Google submit, I'm getting the Google. Okay. The reason it's showing here because I put a console log here, right? I put a console log to ask you to use to test it. Okay, it's coming out. I don't need you to show me that. So I also want to get the site URL. Document the query selector, and it's getting the site URL, the value. Okay, I'm getting those two things. Still recording? Yes, it is. Okay. So now I have a site name and a site URL, and I want to find a place to store them. There is a one storage you can use. It's called local storage. Okay, local storage. If you Google this, it has some specific setting for this local storage. Like it has features it will never delete it. Unlike cookies, it will just for cookies like you usually will use it to store your password and username for like a period of time, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour, maybe 3 days. Local storage won't disappear like unless you delete it by yourself. It will stay there forever. Okay, you will store it in your browser across any tabs, any pages. Okay, but local storage you can only use it to save the strings. It has saving pair. It has have a key and a value. The key is a string and the value is another string. Okay, let's let me give you an example. So let's test this local storage. If I try and say local storage, if I try to save something, save something. If I want to save something, I just use set item here, and we'll save things into local storage. Okay, and it will expect me to give a key and a value. The key can be test, and the value just hello world. Okay, that means I want to save hello world to the local storage. And when I try to get this hello world, I just tell him I want to get the test. Test the value is a hello world. Okay. So if I do that, let's come back to the page here. Okay. So that means that if I run this function, it will save the test and hello world to my local storage. Okay. If I just refresh the page, submit. Okay. If I go to the application, right, in your developer mode here, like in the menu here, click application, and I think it's in the local storage here. Okay. It's here. Say I have a test. A test I have a key and a value. Okay. Actually, I can clear it, just empty. Just submit it, it will be here. Okay. Submit again, it won't be duplicate. Okay. So that's how local storage working. It will be always here until you delete it. Okay, it will be always here. Like I can just right click here, just click it, clear it. Before it will be always here. Okay. So that means that's. It won't slow down the site because it's in the browser. Right. It's in your local storage. It's in your computer. It's not that you download something from the internet. Okay.
it has I think it has enough space for you to store the bookmark. I think it's a good place to store bookmark because it's never disappear. It will be always there when you need it. Okay. So we want to use it like you cannot send this local storage to a server like in the future when we try to have a database. We cannot we use database. But for now, we want to if we just trying to make a website for the bookmark. The bookmarker we don't need to send it anywhere. We just use it ourselves, so we can save it in our client side in our own computer. Okay. So let's clear this thing. Okay, so let's go back to our file here. So well, this is how you store things. In order to get the things out, I just say local storage, the get item. Okay, set is to put things in, and get is get things out. I want to get the item with a key test. Okay, that means I'm looking for an item with a key test. Please tell me the value of it. Okay, let me just use a console log to console log out. Console.log. I want to get this item with a key test. Let's see what it will give me. Okay, come back to the page, go to the console, click submit. Not give me anything. Are you kidding me? Refresh the page. Submit. Oh yeah, I guess I'll get a refresh page. Okay. When submit, I'm getting the value from the local storage. Local storage has if we go to application, it has a key and a value. Okay. When submitted, it's just getting me the hello world. Let's refresh it. Clear it. Submit. It's no value available. And let's refresh the page. Yeah, let's just go back to again. Okay, just I need to refresh this local storage too. Okay, to let it show here, I need to refresh local storage too. Okay, so that's how you get store things in local storage. It stores a key and a value, and you will get this value by using the get item and with a key, and it will tell you the value. Okay, so then we can store things there. So let's add comment. It's a test local storage. Okay, and let's comment them out. It's just a test. All right, let's clear this. Okay. So we want to use local storage to save our site name and site URL. All right, let's do it. So next thing is I actually want to make that bookmarks like as an object, so I can save the whole object as a value there. Okay, actually I want to save a list of bookmarks right? I will have a lot of bookmarks there. Like I will have a first one maybe Google, a second one Twitter, a third one maybe Facebook. I have a lot of bookmarks there, so maybe I want to save all of them there. So what I can do is one way is so I say variable bookmark. I want to make you as a object. This object has a name is equal to the site name. Site name means the site name here. Okay. And also let's choose a comma here. And you also have a URL. It's a site URL. So that's what a bookmark should have. It has a name and a URL. Okay. And now we have this object. Next thing I want to do is save it in the local storage. Let's put it under here. Okay. So, oops. Too much. This is comment for that. So my plan is saving a list of bookmarks. So let's first check if we have that, like you think about like in our local storage. If we already have a bookmarks list, I actually want to add this add one-click submit button in the page. Like if we already have a list of bookmarks here, when I try to submit a new thing, I want to push it to the list, to the array, and I want to add this new bookmark to my array, right? If I don't have anything in my array, I want to create a array, right? If I don't have anything in the bookmark, I want to create this array. If I already have the array, I just want to add things in the array. You know what I'm talking about? Like, for example, now I don't have anything in local storage. I'm trying to create my first bookmark. That means I want to create a new array and put this thing in my array. Okay? And next time when I try to add my second bookmark, I don't have to create a new array. I can just add this new thing to my old array. Right? And each time when I try to delete something, I just delete it from the array.
You said when something's added onto an array, it always goes on the end, right?
Yeah, if you want to use a push, it will go to end. It doesn't matter order, it's bookmarker, we don't care about the order, right? So let's do that. Okay? Well, we have if case here. Check if the array was exists or not. Okay? So let's do some comment. Check if the bookmarks array exists. Okay? So if local the get item, if I can get that item, that means it's not. I already have that. If I cannot get that item, means I don't have it. Okay? So let's get this. Let's try to get a local storage. Local storage. The get item. Okay? I want to get this item. Let me give a key. I can just call it bookmarks. Okay? If I so when I call local the get item bookmark, if I have something there, it will return whatever I have there. If it is not, it will give me a null. Null just means nothing. There's nothing there. Okay, so I just put null here. That means if I don't have the bookmarks here, okay. If I don't have the bookmarks there, what I want to do is I want to create the array. Right? Please create the array for me. Create an array. I want to initialize an array here, an empty array. Okay? Init array. Create this empty array here. And I want to add this thing to the array. Right? Remember what I said? That means that the array was not exist there. That means this is the first time we're trying to add something in our local storage. So I want to do two things. One is create an array. A second thing is push the thing into the array and then save everything inside the local storage. Okay? So I just create an array. Now I want to add the bookmark to array. How I do it? I just use push, right? Bookmarks dot push. Push bookmark. Bookmark is I just created here. It's object. The object with a user input user set name and the user input set URL. Okay? So I just push this bookmark into this array. Then we want to set to local storage. I mean save to local storage. Okay? Use set item to put these bookmarks into local storage. Local storage. The set item, and you have the key is bookmarks. Just call it as a key, and save it as save this bookmarks there. Okay, this bookmarks is this array. Okay, one feature of bookmarks is it only allows strings. You can only save strings in local storage. Okay, local storage only allows you to store strings, but for now, you see. Bookmarks itself is not a string, it's an array. It's an it's actually a JSON. It's a JSON. I'll tell you what a JSON is. It's just basically some object, JavaScript object. Okay, it's a array. I want to transfer it into a string, and actually there is a predefined function allows us to do that. Okay, if you just run JSON the string file, that means change it into string for me. Okay, this will just easily transfer the whole array into a string format. Okay, this is a predefined function. So for now, I mean, for this line means okay, transfer this bookmarks into a string and set it to bookmarks, set it to local storage. Okay, let's try it. See if they are actually in the local storage. Okay, let's come back to the page, refresh it. Say Google and https google.com. Okay, it's this one. Submit it. Let's check my application here. Let's say I have it here, right? I have the bookmarks, and the value of it is name, and is equal to Google, URL equal to the Google's URL, right? This whole thing is a string, and it also looks like an array, okay? And when we get it out, I can transfer it back to the array, so I can use it. Okay, I can use it to create my a form under this forms. A list, right? Like this one. This is one I already created. Like when I submit it, I want to get it out and create a list here. Okay, I want to create a list here. Okay, I want to get what I have in local storage and create a list under it. Okay. Let's come back to our own page here. For now, I already have things in my bookmarks. You see, the bookmarks is it's cross pages, right? No matter which website you're using, they have the same local storage. This is why I have two bookmarks. This one I have the reason I have two is I have typo here. Okay, so this one I have 3 Googles. This is from this website here. Okay, and this one I have only 1 Google. It's from this website I submitted from here. Okay, let's actually clear it. Okay, you cannot see, and let's fix typo here. Okay, it should be bookmarks. Okay, so if I have bookmarks, if I don't have bookmarks, we just save it to there. And else, when the bookmarks already exist, we want to just easily push new things to the array. I don't have to create a new array. Okay, that makes sense. So that means when I trying to get bookmarks, it's not equal to null. Not equal to null means that it exists. So I want to first get that bookmarks array from the local storage. I want to get the old bookmarks array out and push my new things inside it, and then save the bookmarks back to replace the old one. Okay? So the first step is get the bookmarks. So let's say variable bookmarks is equal to local storage the get item bookmarks. Okay? I want to get this bookmarks out, and remember, it is a string, right? We get it from local storage. That means it is a string. I want to transfer it into the array, so I can use another predefined function. It's JSON parse. JSON parse. In parse, it's just gonna change it back to a JSON object, which is an array. It will change back to array. Okay. So now I get my old bookmarks array out. Let me add my new bookmark inside it. And new bookmark into bookmarks. Okay? So I just do bookmarks.push bookmark. Okay, I just push the bookmark into the bookmarks array. See the logic here? I get it from the local storage and add my new bookmark into the array, and then I want to put this new bookmarks array back to local storage. Okay, so I want to reset bookmarks back to local storage. That's local storage. I can just copy this, okay? Just copy, save to local storage here. Just go up. So I want to reset the bookmarks local storage again. Okay, but this local storage, I want to reset your old one into the new one. I just create it here. Okay, I get the old one, I add my new bookmark inside it, and I'll set it back. Okay, I think that's it for our save bookmarks. Let's try it. Okay, let's say if I try to Google and give a URL here, refresh local storage. Okay, I have one item, start from 0. Okay, let's add another one, like Twitter. I don't know the Twitter's URL, just like a Twitter.com. Okay, okay, submit. I have 2 here. Okay, I can add more, like Facebook. Submit. Okay, I have 3, right? Keep adding more here, and the value is just become longer and longer, right? The key is the same, and just have more values here. Okay. Alright. Actually, like when each time I submit something, I actually want to clear this form, right? Like this one. When I submit something here, I want to clear this form, make it empty again. Okay? Clear those things. So we make it empty. So how do I do it? I just add one line code, like after everything, I just want to reset the form. Reset form. This code is document the query select. Let's find this form. Query selector, and the ID is my form. Okay, let's find this form. And I want to do a reset. Okay, that's it. Let's now reset the form. So if I come back, type Facebook here, refresh it. I type Facebook here, Facebook. Give a URL, submit. It will reset it. So it's back to empty with its placeholder here. Okay, and the content is still in the bookmark, still in the local storage. Let's delete it. Okay, so that's it to save the items in the bookmark. Okay, so we already saved it inside it. The next thing we want to do is get it out from the local storage and make the list, right? Like we have to make a list here to list all my bookmarks here. Okay, let's do that. Let's come back to our index HTML. Let's give some space for them. Like before the footer, I want to create a list here, and so I can place my bookmarks here. Let's say I have a div here. Okay, a div. Let's give a ID to it. ID. Bookmark results. I will give the everything I stored in the bookmarks, and like finish the list for me. Okay, I finish the list here. I put everything here. Let me create a function to do that. Like function fetch bookmarks. So in order to fetch, I need to firstly get the item from the bookmark, from the local storage. So the first thing will be get bookmarks from, actually it's this one, get bookmarks from local storage. That's easy, right? We already did it a lot of times. Just this one, okay? Get it, and pass it into an array. Just copy it here. Local storage, get item, get the bookmarks, and parse it into an array. That's our bookmarks. And I want to let JavaScript know where I want to put this bookmarks. Okay, where I want to put this list at. So let's get the output ID. Okay, that means our variable bookmarks result is equal to document the query selector. Get the ID called what's the ID called again? Bookmarks results. Yeah, let's copy this bookmarks results. I want to get this place. Okay, this is the place I want to output the list. Yeah, we're now build this list. Build the output. So remember, if you remember, we can change the inner HTML of a content there, right? It's a div there, but I can change its inner HTML, right? So let's set the bookmarks result. Set its inner HTML as an empty string. Then we can add things after it. So for now, I have an empty string, and I have a list, an array of bookmarks. I want to add each bookmark in that array to the results. I mean, I want to get each array inside the bookmarks, right? I want to get not each array, each bookmark. I want to get each item inside the array, right? So I will use a loop here, get things one by one, get them out, and fetch them as a list in the HTML. Okay, let's use a for loop here, get things one by one. For variable I equal to 0. Okay, we are using the JavaScript knowledge we learned like last week. And we'll continue. We'll keep continue until we reach the end of the array, right? So it should be bookmarks the length, and each time we want to pass 1 to the I. Okay. Let's make it shorter. Move the space. Okay. We will keep continue from 0 to the last item, to the length item, right? So for each item here, we want to do get the variable. I want to get your name, get the site name. Is bookmarks items name, and variable euro is bookmarks item.euro. Okay, that means I want to get the ice item, the current item's name, the current item's euro. And then I can update your inner HTML. You can say bookmarks the inner HTML plus equal. That means plus I use the current one plus the one after. Okay, I want to plus plus a div here, okay? And let's just make it one by one. A div. Within the div, this one is a little bit harder, okay? It's harder to think, not like harder to write. And within div, I may have h3 here. H3 is gonna be the name of it, so it will be plus the name, and then plus a button. Actually, I'll use a link, okay? It's gonna be like a link. With a class equal to btn and btn success. Yeah, don't worry, we have videos, okay? Let's make it into another line. Okay? Just the same thing, but looks easier for us to see. Okay. So I have a button. I have a btn success, and the next thing we will have a ref. And plus a euro, and plus yeah, it's really hard to write that. Let's make it into another line, okay? Euro, and then plus I'm just still trying to think what I should plus here. Close this link tag, and then I will have a content of the link tag, like a visit, and another, and then a close tag here. It's a tag. Okay. And then I need another button, right? I will need another button. Another a tag, class equal to btn success, btn danger. It's used to delete things, and has a ref. Actually, before the ref, I want to have a on-click here. Okay, that means when I click this button, I want to run a function to delete the bookmark. Okay. Actually, let's do it later. Okay, let's do this delete button later. Okay, let's first try if this bookmark successfully run out. So after saying a tag, I'll close h3. Did I close h3? No, I didn't. Close h3 here. I think I need to use this plus here, plus h3, and a close div. Okay. So it's basically have HTML and with a lot of plus like HTML format here. Okay. Let's try it. Hopefully it will work. So refresh the page. Let's add like actually, right now I created this function, but I never tell like HTML when to run this function, right? I never say like when should you run this function. Like I think I need like after I save the local storage, right? After I save something, I want you to run this function to re-render this function. Okay, just call it here in the save bookmarks here. Okay, I'll add it. After I save it, I want you to build the list. After I save it, I build the list. Okay, and also when I enter the page, I want you to when I first time if I close the page, when I like open the page, I want it to build the list for me if there is anything. Okay. So I want to here I need to in the body. I need to add another event called unload. Unload means when I load the body, please run this function for me. Finish bookmarks. Okay. When I run this function, when I visit this page, please run this function for me in the body. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's refresh the page. Open the console, see if there's any bug. Oh, there is. Finish bookmarks is not defined. Did I name it as another name? Finish bookmarks. Okay, it's capital M. Oh, okay, whatever. Just use capital M. Okay. Let's refresh the page. Can't read the property length of null. 965. Oh yeah, because it's not existing yet, right? I'm trying to get length of it, not exist. Just ignore it for now, okay? It won't influence us, I think. This is Google. Set URL like HTTPS Google. This one. Submit. Nothing is happened. Let's see if it's in the local storage. Yes, it is. It's not in the bookmarks without the inner HTML. Let's console log it. See what I have. Console log. I typed it wrong. It should be bookmarks without the inner HTML. Okay, I want to update you. That's why there's nothing. Let's try it again. Refresh it. Yeah, it's here. Okay. So let's try to add another one. Facebook. Let's say HTTP. Just give it Google URL, whatever. Okay. Let's try it. Submit. Okay, it's here. Okay. And Reddit is working. See how easy? It's not really hard. Okay. So I just use a really weird syntax here, like it's and is 1 by 1 0, okay? And the div and close div here, and h3 close h3 here. And beside it, I have this name, and I have a button. A button has a ref. A ref is a URL here, okay? Name is goes here, URL goes here. Others just HTML syntax, okay? Let's add some space between them. Actually, I want. So I have a visit, and a button, and Google. Actually, I think there's a class to do that. First div, I have a h3, and after the h3, I have a button. Oh, actually, the button is in the h3. This class real. Is that gonna fix that? I cannot. Oh yeah. Let's add another thing here, and another Facebook. Let's not fixing that. Name. Let's add a space here, okay? Just add manually. Add a space here, and okay. Let's see, try it. It's clear. Oh yeah, there is space here. Okay, and a space here. And there's some space between them. Okay. Alright. So I still need another button to delete it, right? Like before I close the h3 and div, I want another button here. I want another link class equal to btn danger, and unclick event. Okay, this unclick will help me delete the bookmark. I want to this unclick will call delete bookmark, and I want to take an input here. The input should be the URL, okay? It should be the URL here. Let's do it like that. So this is here, and plus URL, plus the close tag. That's so confusing. And plus actually, let me just say space here, and href is equal to hash. It doesn't really go anywhere. Okay. It just deletes the item for me. And then I can close the tag and as a delete as content and add a close tag here. Okay. And then I need another plus here for the h3 and div. Let's refresh this. Yes, here. Okay. It's missing this and arguing this. Let's see everyone. Missing a close. Is that because this? Let me try to comment this out. And back. Yes, I think I cannot do it like that. Let me think about it. Plus this URL, and I want to have another like that. That means I have open, and I have a column here, and a column here. Try this. Unexpected identifier. Let's make the function first, okay? Just leave it like that. This is console log. Okay, so each time for right now I already have the two buttons. Let's add some space between the button. Okay, let's add some space there. Add some space here. Okay. So when I click the delete button, it should be deleted. It should be called a function delete bookmark. Okay, let's make the function. So I'm clicking bookmark here. Function delete bookmark. Let's copy the name here. I cannot type it right. It takes a URL. So firstly, let's get this. When I try to if I try to delete something from the bookmark list, the bookmark list is in the local storage. So basically, I want to get that bookmarks list, bookmarks array from outside from the local storage, right? I want to get it from local storage and delete the specific bookmark and put the array back to the local storage to replace the old one. Okay, those are three things here. So first thing is get bookmarks from local storage. Second thing will be remove bookmark from array, right? From bookmarks array. And the last thing will be reset bookmarks array back to local storage. And to delete it, I want to use I'll receive it back. And after I receive it back, I want to refresh the list, right? I want to refresh the page after you to rebuild the list for me, because I already deleted one. You should update your current list. So here I want to refetch bookmarks result. Those are everything we'll do here. First thing, get the bookmarks from local storage. I've done it many times. Just copy it from here. Get the current bookmarks here. And then I want to remove bookmarks from the array. Okay? How do I do it? Use a loop. I can use a loop to compare. Because this function takes a URL. I can compare the taking URL with all the URLs in the array. If they match, it's deleted. Okay? Let's try it. So we have a loop through bookmarks. So for loop, like the same as this one, right? Same as this one. Just go through the bookmarks. Add some comment here. Loop through bookmarks. Okay. Let's just do the same thing here. Okay. And within this loop, I will remove something from you. Okay. If bookmarks item the URL is equal to the URL I give it here, right? This URL, if its current bookmark URL is equal to the URL I give here, I want to remove you. Okay, I want to remove you. Let's do here. I want to remove you. I want you. So the way you remove it is called predefined function for the arrays. The bookmarks dot slice. It takes remove the current item. How many you want to move here? I want to only remove one. Okay, it takes 2 items. Which one you want to remove, and how many items you want to remove here. Okay. After I remove it, I think that's it. Just break the list. Okay. This is in case that we have a duplicate bookmarks, right? A user maybe want to store. They can store like 2 Google URLs in their array. We allowed it. Well, it doesn't make sense to do it, but we allow it. You can store a duplicate. I don't care. But I don't want to remove both of it. We're trying to remove. Okay, just remove one and break it. Okay, just done. Okay. That's it. Just remove from it. Then we want to reset the bookmarks back to the local storage. I did this before, right? I can find it. Reset bookmarks back to local storage. Just copy it. Put it here. Refresh the bookmark result. It's just record the benchmarks again. I just call this function again. Right? Just call this function again. I call it here. Just add some comment here. Finish the book marks. Okay? Let's just do it again here. Well, I think that's it. Let's try it. Did it? Unexpected identifier. What it really mean, I actually don't know. Let's take a look of this. It's just here, so I can remove space here. URL and plus the close the parenthesis, right? do that. So let's make them into one link. So everything from here is one, and I want to put this URL outside of this this three outside of this this comment. So I think it's just /, comment, and /, comment. Should be like easy like that. I think I will need another comment here. Yeah, and here. that should be how it looks like. Let's try it. I expect an identifier. I did wrong here. I have a div, I have a h3. Let's actually delete them from local storage. Refresh the page, disappear, and let's try it again. Google, commit, cancel, refresh it. Okay. Visit, it works. Come back, delete. It's not working. Okay, the button definitely has some problem here. Let's see if this function get called. Okay. Let's let me put a console log here. See if it's working. Test if the function is called. Console.log. Hello from delete. Bookmarker. See if we really visit this function. No, we never go to that function. Okay, it's no console log here. That means something wrong with this. Let's leave it here for now. Okay, I have a div, and I have a h3. Within the h3, I have a name and a space, and then I have a button. This button here. Let's close that. This one's not here with a URL and with this thing, with this. Close the tag. This is the open tag. And I have a visit here. And then I have another button. Another button. A tag, class equals BKB and danger, that's the same. And I have a here. Okay, I see the problem here. I'm missing a closed double quotation here. Okay, I open it here, then close it. Okay, and then I have a trif, it's a close tag, and then plus the h3. And then I plus the div. Oops. Should be set. Alright, let's try this. Oh, that's why it was in black. It should be fine. It has bug here. Okay, I got this console log here. Bookmarker is not defined. Okay, I have typo on line 94. I can comment this out. 994 book here. It should be bookmark. page. Let's delete it. Yes, delete it. Let's say the application is empty. And add one, Twitter. Yes, here with it. Yeah, and Twitter. If I just open it again, go to HTML, open in browser, it's still here, and I open F12, fast local storage is still here, and add more, like Facebook, submit, okay, I have two here, yeah. Can delete the first one, yeah, delete the second one, okay, so it's become empty, there's no error, okay. I think that's basically how it is. We can actually make it better. For example, like for now, we are not checking if this form is valid, right? Yesterday's video, it says we can use JavaScript to validate this form. Like we can check if the site name is not empty, right? We cannot allow the user to put an empty name, right? Like it should have something here. We can also check if this URL is really a website. We can check that too, right? Firstly, check the site name. Is that really has some criteria here? Okay. Don't allow user to submit like an empty site name here. So let's check it. Go back to the main trace. Before I save it, I want to check it, right? So, like here, when I created this bookmarks object, I want to check this bookmark object. I want to see if bookmark the name. Let's try. What should I check here? Is equal to empty, or bookmark the site URL. Net is user, not site URL. Is empty, not or. Sorry, it should be a pipe, two pipes here. Is all, right? Either of them should is empty. I should alert user, alert you. Don't do that. You're not allowed to make it empty. Alert user please fill in the form. Don't leave it blank. And I want to stop this function. How do I stop it? Return something, right? Return will stop the function instantly, right? Like it's return false. Or return anything. Return anything will stop the function. Okay? If any of them is empty, I want to alert user and stop the function. Alright? Will not allow user to submit empty things. Excellent. For now, if I refresh the page, and if I click submit, it say please fill the form. It's not allowed me to submit it. And there's nothing in the application here. It's nothing in the storage. I have to type something here. Okay? And the same too. Oh, I didn't type like that. Okay? Still asking me please fill in the form. Oh, I forget to. So Google here, submit. It allows me. Okay? Like something here, submit. Yeah, it allows me. Okay? We can also see the name of the bookmark. Let's see how should I see? Can I see here? Let's just leave it like that, okay? Let's just make it simple. We don't allow it to be empty, okay? I think that's it for this simple website to allow users to end their bookmarks, right? They can end I have to save this curriculum, right? I can say m symbol curriculum, and paste the URL here. Submit it. Okay, it will be here. Like it, you can actually use it. Just click here, go into this here. Okay, I can actually use it. Just close this. And if I just no, I can just open it again. Sorry, open it again, and I can just if I don't need it, I delete it. It will be always here until you delete it. Okay, it will be always here until you delete it. Okay. So this is basically everything about this bookmarks. Let me upload it to my GitHub so others can see what I do for practicing the JavaScript. Okay. So let's go to the GitHub. I will submit the everything I created here. This things here. Okay. So let's go to the GitHub. This is my GitHub. It's a new repository. Let's give it a name like Bookmarker. Okay, Bookmarker. Okay, make it public. Create a repository. All right. So it's just all things, right? So just let's open the folder. Right click it. Git bash here. Git init. Initialize the empty git folder. And next thing you want to do is git add dot, means add everything inside it. Git status, check if they are already there. Yeah, and there's 3 files here. And I want to git. Actually, I can just use git commit and bookmarker finish. Okay, and then I just copy this thing. Just copy and right click, paste it here. Hit enter. Give it a second. I think it takes some time. Okay, asking me to enter my username and password. Okay, I think it's done. So refresh the page. It's right here. Okay? Or okay, you can add some description of it. It's up to you. Okay? So that's it for this today's project. Let's just close recording here. Am I still recording?